Ever wondered how to make your slides more engaging? How about adding some animation to bring them to life? Today, we're going to explore the art of slide animation, transforming static presentations into dynamic visual experiences. Animated slides aren't just visually appealing, they're a powerful tool to capture and hold attention, making your ideas more memorable. They can also help you convey complex information in a more digestible way. Whether you're more comfortable with PowerPoint, Google Slides, or another tool, the principles of slide animation remain the same. So pick your weapon of choice and get ready to animate. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of your chosen platform. Get to grips with adding and arranging slides, using text boxes, and exploring the formatting options. Transitions are the secret sauce of slide animation. These effects allow you to smoothly move from one slide to the next, keeping your audience engaged and your presentation flowing. Now it's time to bring your text and elements to life. We'll walk through the process of adding animations to text, images, and other elements on your slides. Take your animations to the next level by making your elements move. Whether it's a spinning image or a bouncing bullet point, object animation turns your slides into a dynamic visual experience. For those ready to go the extra mile, customizing the motion paths of your elements can add a unique and eye-catching twist to your presentation. In animation, timing is everything. We'll explore how to control the timing of your animations and sequence them for maximum impact. Finally, we'll share some pro tips to ensure your presentation is seamless and professional, from using consistent animations to avoiding animation overload. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to turn your slides into an animated spectacle. Remember, the key to a standout presentation is to keep it engaging, keep it dynamic, and most importantly, keep it uniquely you. So go ahead and start animating. Jack, hard out.